Namaskar, this is Dr. Sharad Kasarle. Curcumin, the purified turmeric extract, brings lot of challenging improvements in preventing and treating chronic inflammatory infections like cardiovascular diseases, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and even cancers and tumors. Curcumin is active constituent of turmeric, which is Curcuma longa. Curcuma has very high levels of iron, that is 517% RDA, 58% RDA of magnesium. Iron is important in treating anemia, which is the leading cause of depletion of oxygen in cells and also depletion of oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Magnesium is important in nerves, bones, and joints health. Curcuma is also blessed with 48% RDA of zinc. That zinc is very well known to treat cold, sinusitis, loss of smell, taste, and sexual ability and stamina. We all know that during COVID infection, one of the symptom of the infection is loss of smell and taste, which is due to zinc deficiency. So curcumin acts as very important nutrient for prevention as well as treating the COVID-19 patients. Curcumin helps lower infections. We all know that curcumin is antiseptic, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory as well. Elevated levels of CRP, C-reactive protein, also WBC and ESR are high inflammatory biomarkers which curcumin helps to bring back to normal. In COVID-19 infection, CRP is increased drastically, which is indicative of pulmonary diseases like pneumonia. Pulmonary fibrosis is also prevented by purified turmeric extract. Due to its very high ORAC value, turmeric has ORAC value of about 1,24,000, whereas curcumin is believed to have ORAC value, that is oxygen radical absorbance capacity, of 15 lakhs, which helps boost oxygen carrying capacity of the blood and hence lungs and respiratory function to boost brain oxygen level. This is great news to prevent brain damage due to brain hypoxia. Depletion of cellular oxygen level, which happens mainly due to any type of infection, can be well prevented and treated by this golden spice turmeric due to its incredible nutrients such as curcumin. Curcumin is potent antioxidant which helps lower oxidative stress, lowers cortisol levels and help boost dopamine, which is mood elevator and treats depression and anxiety. Curcumin helps lower oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is the main culprit behind arteriosclerosis and most of the heart attacks and cardiac failures. Curcumin boosts dopamine function and hence is extremely beneficial for Parkinson's patients. Curcumin treats allergies as it is an anti-allergen, so it greatly helps to treat allergic cough, sore throat due to an infection and also respiratory infections including bronchitis, tuberculosis, etc. Curcumin improves blood circulation due to its blood purifying capacity. It has vasodilatory effect. So it is extremely beneficial to prevent myocardial infarction, chronic heart failures, and also cardiac arrests. Curcumin is effective in treating various types of cancers, tumors, and even prevents metastasis, that is, spread of cancer to various organs of the body. Mainly, it benefits the cancers of breast, colon, pancreatic, colorectal, blood cancer, and also cancer of liver and esophagus. The nutrient needed by every cell of our body and greatly helps to keep all organs in unity, that is immunity, is really the role of curcumin. Thank you very much. God bless you all.